How to fix your payment method was declined. Let's get started. Launch your App Store. At the top right corner, you will find your profile icon. Click on it. Now click on your Apple ID. Now you will see the option of Manage Payments. Click on it. In the case you have already filled this, remove all the details, close this, open your Settings app. At the very top, you will find your Apple ID. Click on it. Now at the bottom, you will see the option of Sign Out. Click on it. Once you sign out of your Apple ID, hit back, scroll down, open the option General. Scroll down, head towards the option of Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, again open your Settings app. At the very top, you will see the option of Sign In. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. Once you do that, open your App Store. Come to this page of Add Payment. Now fill all these details. Make sure to provide the valid details, number, expires, CVV, likewise billing address. Once you fill this, click on the option of Done, and with that your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix your payment method was declined. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.